Hey there guys, so today's video I wanted to do a quick little haul video. I wanted to show you guys a few products that I just finished picking up, and because I'm going to be showing you some of these products anyways pretty soon in the coming days, I figured it would be fun for you guys to see it in a quick little haul. So yeah, let's get into this. So a lot of the products that I got are from Ulta, and I also got Dose of Colors, and I also got a few things from Sephora. You saw a few of the stuff that I got from Sephora because I actually already kind of put them in a video. So the first thing that I did get from Sephora that you guys probably already saw in the video is this Bounce Foundation from Beauty Blender. It came in this cute little box right here, and it looks like this. And it has this thing on the back. I did use this foundation today, and I have been wearing this foundation nonstop because I want to give you guys a good review on it, let you guys know everything I think about it. So far, the foundation itself has been working really well. I actually really like the way the foundation looks. I'm wearing it actually right now. It does a beautiful finish. It just doesn't have that many shades in it, but it is a beautiful foundation so far. So I'm going to continue wearing it. I don't have a complete review up on it yet, but I will have one very, very soon. Also, if you guys want to see first impression on that one, I'll link it below because I did do a first impression on that one, and also this one here. This is the NATASHA DENONA Lila palette. This is another product that I just finished hauling just recently, and I did a first impression also with the Beauty Blender foundation already on this, but it's just a first impression. I'm just showing you guys how it works, and this is what package that it came in. It came like this, and it came with this beauty inside of it. I'm actually wearing it on my eyes right now. So far, this one I'm enjoying too so far. I'm still wearing this one to give you guys a better review on it, but so far so good. I'm actually really enjoying it. So now let's get into the products that you actually have not seen yet, because I actually haven't even put them up on my channel, and those are... The first one is from Dose of Colors. I actually just got this box in yesterday, and I'm actually wearing the product already on my lips because I'm crazy. And it came with this really pretty card. Look at this, the Dose of Colors Sarah E. ILUVSARAII collection. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my god, so pretty. I really love this collection, guys. And I actually really wanted to get the eyeshadow palette, but I had to convince myself not to get it because I have so many eyeshadow palettes right now. I would totally have gotten it, like, because I think it's beautiful, and I probably would have come out with amazing eye looks for it, but I couldn't convince myself enough to get it, but it's absolutely stunning. But I did convince myself to get this. This is the ILUVSARAII Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the color Peachy. It's what I have on my lips right now, and I wanted to get it because it is a peachy tone lipstick. It looks like this. It has this beautiful Dose of Colors, a very standard packaging, and then inside, this is the color right here, and I'm actually wearing it right now on my lips so you guys can see what it looks like. It is extremely peachy. It's a little bit more peachy than I thought it was going to be, but what I do like about it is I don't own any color exactly like this one. I do love peachy lipsticks, but peachy lipsticks are not the most easy to wear. Certain peachy tones you can only wear with certain types of looks. I'm still wearing this. I'm still testing it. This isn't a review on it. I don't really know too much about it. I actually just put it on for the first time right now, and I actually like the way it looks. I think it looks pretty. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? So let's jump into a few things that I got from Ulta because this is super exciting. I am so excited about this. I bought this. So I've been dying to try Juvia's place. I really wanted to try this brand, and I found this palette online because now Ulta carries Juvia's place, and I said, I need to get this. Like, I know, you have so many eyeshadow palettes. Why do you want another eyeshadow palette? Because I don't have one that looks like this one. That's what I tell myself. But then this is what it looks like, guys. Look how pretty. And actually, this is called the Masquerade Mini, and it's the size of my head. So I actually thought that this was going to be small. When I read mini, I was like, oh, it's going to be small. This isn't small. But look at the colors in there. Look at that colors. This is an absolutely beautiful eyeshadow palette. I cannot wait to play around with this. I'm sure I'm going to be able to come up with some really cool looks. What I love about this one is I don't have anything that looks like this. These are perfect colors for like pops of colors. Then there's also down here, if you guys look, all of these neutral tones down here. This can come up with a very basic eye, maybe like something that I can wear for winter, or like now that we're going into the fall, even though I feel like we just started summer, but since we're going into the fall, these colors here will be beautiful. I'm super excited to play with this eyeshadow palette. Like, you guys don't even understand. So excited. I'll definitely do a first impressions with this one. I'll show you guys how it works, and of course there will be a review to come after. I want to show you guys that I did get these. But obviously I do get gray hairs because I have very, very dark hair. So when you have very, very dark hair, you end up showing every single gray hair that comes out in your head, because that is the blessing of having dark hair. If you have light hair, you don't understand this. You don't understand this at all, because you fellow light-haired people don't show that you have gray hair. If anything, it just makes your hair look nicer, because my mom has blonde hair, and when she gets her white hairs, it just looks like her hair is white blonde, and it just looks pretty. When I get a white hair, it's like, oh my god, it's white. So because I'm the type of person that doesn't like to go to salons and sit there for hours dyeing my hair, I used to have highlights, guys. I used to have like almost blonde hair, and I used to do that like for a really long time. I probably had highlights until I was like 23. And I used to love my highlights, and I actually also had ombre at one time. Everything was always light, until I finally said, I'm over this. I really am so tired of sitting in the salon getting my hair done. And I just went back to dark, and I like my hair dark a little bit better than I even liked it light. I don't know, because I still like the light one too, but whatever. Where am I going here? I'm like off on a tangent. Because I don't like to sit in salons, what I do is I buy these. These are the CLARIOL Root Touch-Ups, and guys, these are so good. I mean, I use these on my hair. It matches perfectly, and I get the color that is, what is this? It matches dark brown shades 4. And basically all you do with these is you kind of like do your top of your head. So basically what I do is I kind of like break it down the middle, and I actually just coat my entire top of my head with this, everywhere that like the white hairs are coming out. This is not like a full dye. You don't dye your entire head. You just dye like this part up, and you can't even tell the difference. Like, it doesn't like dye your hair to a different tone. It kind of like matches your hair. It's really weird. It's called Seamlessly Blends with the Leading Shades. And it does, because my hair, you can never tell. You just, oh my god, my hair looks a little darker today, and that is because I just finished dyeing the roots, and you can't even tell that I dyed them. So I love these things. I go through these things a lot. I actually don't even know how long it takes me. I think it takes me like a month and a half or 2 months before I have to dye them again. And sometimes I'm really bad with this, and sometimes you guys might see I have a few little gray hairs come out, and that's because my hair is super dark, and I just don't have time to constantly be dyeing it. I don't have time to constantly be going to the salons. I have a daughter. I'm very busy. I actually have not cut my hair in a year. Crazy. Okay, guys, so another thing that I got from Ulta was this. This is from L'Oreal. So this is the Camila Cabello collaboration with L'Oreal that she came out with. It's called Havana. I really wanted this just because it was this peachy tone. You guys know I'm obsessed with peaches. I love peachy tones on the lips. I think I'm gonna do a whole peachy tone best peach lipsticks for you guys, especially and like when you're supposed to wear certain ones with what kind of makeup and how they look good, because I love peachy tones, and every time I wear a peachy tone, you guys are constantly telling me you like it, like, oh, where'd you get that lipstick? Oh my god, I love that lipstick. And I'm like, damn, you guys like peach so much, like me. I'm gonna share with you guys some good peach lipsticks, because there's a lot. I seriously, there's a lot. Like, this one's even really pretty too, guys. Like, come on. What is this called? It's a Lip Dew Serendipity. So this is the color Serendipity, and it's really pretty. It's actually just like a gloss, and I'll use it in a video so you guys can see it better, but you see it's a gloss with like a peachy tone. Now this is not going to be something that when you put it on your lips you're going to be like, oh my god, it looks so peachy. Probably look pretty with this. Let me put it on top of this lipstick. Yeah, I think this is going to make like a really good topper, especially like on peach tone lipsticks, to kind of make them look glossy. I actually really like this product a lot so far. So I actually really like the color of this. I think it's gonna look really pretty. Like right now, I can't tell. This looks like a really nice product. I'm excited to try this one out. I'm gonna use it on top of different lipsticks. I think this is gonna be a good lip topper, but I also think this is gonna be really pretty on its own, especially now in the summer. I love peachy tones. I'm actually excited to try this because I think it was a long time ago that I tried this, and this is the POREFESSIONAL from Benefit. So many people told me that they love this, and I know I've tried it before, but I can't even remember if I liked it or not. I think I did, and I know a lot of people swear by this, so sometimes when people ask me pore minimizing primers, I tell them the ones I love, and then I say a lot of people like the POREFESSIONAL. It's just one that a lot of people talk about, but I want to try this guy out for myself. I didn't want to buy the full size, but I'm happy that I got a sample. Another thing that I got is from Sephora, and that is from Jouer. So I was finally able to pick up the Jouer Blush Boutique blushes, and you guys know I'm not a huge fan of high-end blushes, but I just couldn't resist this one because look at that. So I ended up buying it, even though I know I usually don't buy high-end blushes because the drugstore has fantastic ones. But I ended up doing it because, you know, guys, there's some times that you just have to say yes. Another thing that I want to show you guys that I picked up is from Amazon. I picked up a few of these really cute little headbands, and these are fun for me to be able to put on makeup for you guys. Now, these are actually pretty inexpensive. I think I spent like $11 or $12, and look, it came with all these colors. I've got blues, I've got reds, and I love these so much. They're so cute. You guys probably have seen me me wear these on my Instagram videos, because I actually got these like a few days ago and I film a lot, so you've probably already seen them. But these are so cute to put on your makeup. Aren't they adorable? And I also feel like for the summer, like even for a beach look or something, you can totally wear this. It's so cute. Even though when my mom saw me wearing it, she was like, oh my god, your 60-year-old niece would love that. Well, and then I picked up, I'm just gonna kind of just go like this. I picked up something for a giveaway that's coming soon. And that's all the products that I picked up on this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys will be seeing a lot of these products being demoed and put on. And I just wanted to show you guys because it's really fun to open products in front of you guys. So hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me your thumbs up. Leave me your comments below and I will talk to you guys later.